kindergarten, this week for ELA, one of the lessons we're going to be talking about is comparing and contrasting. That means we're looking at two different things and we're seeing how they're the same and how they're different. That's called comparing and contrasting. So what we're going to do is we're going to read a book, and I want you to follow along and listen. And then after I read the book, I'll tell you what I want you to do tomorrow with the information that you've learned in the book. So we are going to read a book about sharks and dolphins, a compare and contrast book. This is a shark. So that's a tiger shark right here. This is a dolphin. This is a bottlenose dolphin. In some ways they are similar. In other ways they are different. Sharks and dolphins live in the ocean. They both have torpedo-shaped bodies to cut through the water. They have fins and flippers in similar places to help them swim quickly. Sharks and dolphins are not the same kind of animals, though. Sharks are fish, and so are these animals. These are different kinds of fish: a seahorse, an African pompano, a clownfish, an angelfish. Dolphins are mammals. So are these animals. So a lion, a giraffe, bat, humans, we're all mammals. Like other fish, sharks breathe underwater. They breathe with gills. So this is the word gills right here. And fish and sharks have gills so that they can breathe underwater. We cannot breathe underwater. We do not have gills. Like other mammals, dolphins breathe air above water. They breathe with lungs and a blowhole. So the shark breathes with gills, and the dolphin breathes with lungs. There are 400 kinds of sharks, so they all live in the ocean. So on this page, we can see different kinds of sharks. These aren't all of them, these are just a few. There are 38 different kinds of dolphins that live in the ocean. There are also 5 kinds of dolphins that live in freshwater rivers. The biggest sharks are whale sharks. They can be 60 feet long. The biggest dolphins are orcas. They can be 32 feet long. So with a grown-up, I want you to write the word 60 feet long. That's a 6 and a 0. And then I want you to write 32 feet. The number 32, and then I want you with whoever you're watching this with, I want you to see if you can figure out which number is bigger. Sharks and dolphins look similar because they are both predators. They both eat fish and other animals. Sharks and dolphins both have sharp teeth to catch prey. Sharks have many rows of teeth. They are always growing new teeth. Dolphins have one row of teeth. They have the same teeth their entire lives. Both sharks, let me move this so we can see that. Both sharks and dolphins are important. They keep other animals from becoming overpopulated. The ocean would not be healthy without them. So one thing you can do is make a Venn diagram. You make 2 circles. One side you talk about fish. One side you talk about sharks. And then in the middle, you can put the things that they have in common. And then from there, you can write your sentences. So for your task, for your activity, we want you to write 2 sentences about sharks, 2 sentences about dolphins. And I want you to talk about the differences. Talk about the ways they're the same. Talk about the ways they're different. And then we want you to write those sentences, and then we want you to draw pictures of sharks and dolphins. Parents, if your child needs help with their sentences, you can write some of the words and then have them fill the words in. So you, the parent, you could write dolphins have, sharks have, and then help your child fill in the rest. Tomorrow, we are going to try to call you, and one of the things we want to talk about is the differences between sharks and dolphins. If you have any questions, be sure to give me or Miss Boyd a call. We hope you have a great day.